To fix the issue of PayPal not being able to transfer money to your Paysera account, start by verifying that your Paysera account is properly linked to your PayPal account. Ensure that the account details, such as the account number and routing number, are correct and match the information on your Paysera account. Check if there are any restrictions or limitations on your PayPal account that may be preventing the transfer. This could include verification requirements or account holds. Make sure your PayPal account is fully verified and that there are no outstanding issues that need to be resolved. Another common reason for failed transfers is incorrect recipient information. Double-check that the recipient's name, account number, and other details match the information on your Paysera account. Even a small mistake can cause the transfer to fail. If you have recently made changes to your Paysera account, such as updating your address or phone number, it may take some time for the changes to be reflected in your PayPal account. Wait for at least 24 hours after making any changes before attempting to transfer money again. PayPal also has certain security measures in place to protect users from fraudulent transactions. If PayPal detects any suspicious activity, it may block the transfer. In this case, you will need to contact PayPal's customer support to resolve the issue. Additionally, check if there are any issues with your Paysera account, such as insufficient funds or account restrictions. Make sure that your Paysera account is active and that there are no holds or restrictions that could be preventing the transfer. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, contact PayPal's customer support for further assistance. They will be able to provide more detailed information about the transfer and help you resolve any issues that may be preventing the transfer from being completed. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the issue preventing PayPal from transferring money to your Paysera account. Remember to always double-check your account information and to contact customer support if you need any further assistance.